What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to promote Clickbank products without having an email list. So I'm going to be giving exactly 3 ways and alternate ideas you can promote Clickbank products if you don't have a list at all. Okay, bye! Welcome back to the video. My name is Marissa Romero, and if you're new to the channel, what I talk about on this channel is tips and tricks to improve your online business and even start an online business from scratch. So I talk about e-commerce, affiliate marketing, different types of organic and paid advertising online, sales funnels, email marketing. So if any of that would be helpful to you, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video if you like it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all after this video. All right. So getting into today's topic about Clickbank, of course, the traditional way to build up an online business and promote any product is to build an email list, and I don't take away the fact that you still need to build a list with affiliate marketing and promoting Clickbank products. Building a list is imperative, but bottom line is when you start off online, people do not have an email list to promote to. Okay, so I wanted to suggest in this video 3 different types of strategies as to what you can do in the beginning when you're just getting started. So again, please plan on building your list, but in the beginning you can choose between one of these 3 strategies to promote Clickbank products and be able to make sales and to start getting your feet wet as an affiliate marketer. And this works for Clickbank and JVZoo, really any type of product you're trying to promote online. Okay, so the first option is to do launch jacking. Now, I talk about launch jacking in depth in another video, but essentially what the idea is behind launch jacking is to promote. There's 2 parts to launch jacking, really. There's the launch of an up-and-coming product, and the jacking part just means that you are going to take away some of that traffic that is going to be searched on in the search engines in Google and in YouTube, and direct that traffic to your affiliate link of that offer. And so what I mean by that is you want to find a product that is up and coming to the marketplace. And so a good way to find a product like that is to go to muncheye.com, and this will show you all of the launches that are coming up. So you get to see the rest of July and even down into August and so forth. So these are kind of the bigger name launches, and that's something to consider as well. My favorite launch jacking website when I do launch jacking, which I probably do once a month, even though I do have a list, is jvnotifypro.com. And the reason I like jvnotifypro.com is because they'll give you it's laid out right here, and these affiliates and product producers are really top notch. And I like coming here and checking out what's coming up because as you can see, like Mike Philsane, he is a guru of product launches, and whatever this product is, it's probably going to be really good because he is involved with the product. And what I like to look for when I look at what's coming up is I like to look at the clicks on the JV page. And if the raw clicks and the unique clicks are over, let's say 250, that means that it is a really good product to consider, and that the makers of it and founders of the product are probably solid. So I would invite you to look at the JV page of these products that have these type of metrics at the bottom here and what you see. So the way to do an official launch jacking is what you can do is contact the affiliate manager of the product. So let's say the product is launching in the end of July, and you're contacting the affiliate manager of the product at the beginning of July. What you would do is either create an article on your blog or a video on your YouTube channel and explain what the product is, give a review of it, and you can even, when you contact the affiliate manager, you can request a review copy of the product and also a demo account of the product so that you can show what the product is and how it works, and you don't have to pay any money for it. You would just say, I want to give a thorough review of this product to my audience and so forth. And they can hook you up with a review copy and most likely a demo account. So those will be the tools you need to create a review on your blog or YouTube channel. And you want to dominate the product name keyword by putting, making a few articles. So like ABC product review, ABC product demonstration, ABC product, what else is a good one? Review and custom bonuses. So maybe you have some custom bonuses as well to go with the product if people were to purchase through your link, which is a great way to do product, to do launch jacking. So again, check out my in-depth video on launch jacking. I just wanted to give you guys that idea. You can check out my other video if you're interested in that method. So option 2, what I have is influencer marketing. So this is actually going to require some paid advertising. You're going to need a budget to do this, but it is a great way to start making sales and most likely earn your money back if done right. And what I mean by that is, let's say you have a Clickbank product in the health and fitness industry. Let's say, I don't know, it has a price point of $35 average dollar per sale. What you can do is search YouTube channels that have a strong following, maybe between 25,000 subscribers to 50,000 subscribers. They're not gigantic, like, they don't have 500,000 subscribers or millions of subscribers. So you can still have a huge audience that is loyal to this person's brand. And what you can do is ask if you could put your affiliate link of this product in their description and how much they would charge for something like that, and just explain the product and explain the quality of it, and explain why it would be good for their audience and so forth, and how much they would charge for you to put your affiliate link in there, and how long of a time period that would get you for them to promote that product. So just contact them. Usually they have their email in the description, but if not, you can contact them in the About section of the YouTube channel. There's usually a way to email people right then and there for business inquiries, and that's what you would do. So you would get your affiliate link from Clickbank and send it to them and pay them to promote your affiliate link on their channel, and they have a huge audience. So that's way number 2, is influencer marketing. Now, method number 3 is actually creating a YouTube channel around a specific niche and creating content reviews or product review videos on your channel. So you could either do this yourself, get in front of the camera like I'm doing right now and do product reviews on different products, or if you don't want to get into a camera, what you can do is have them created. So what I mean is, for example, this YouTube channel right here is called Le Coco Vlog, but they have a YouTube channel dedicated to different health and fitness product reviews. So 2-week diet review, detox your body, and it talks about lose weight fast. So it has a mix of both health and fitness product reviews, and also they give value on, like lean belly breakthrough and different tips and tricks on how to slim down and lose weight. So what I like about this channel is people always ask, like, what if I don't want to be on camera? Well, you can model what this channel is doing, and like if you click here, they are not talking. There's no one in front of the camera. They are making a what is this called? A whiteboard video for the product. Let me pause it real quick. So they're creating a whiteboard video for the product, and the way you do that is you can go to Fiverr.com, and it's a little bit pricey, but you can definitely make a return on your investment. So what you would do is type in whiteboard video and look at the vendors that have the option of creating a whiteboard storyline for you. Now these are very powerful videos and super high converting, so you can have these videos created for you for your YouTube channel, and then in the links in the description of the channel, they have different affiliate links to different offers. So, and they also have Facebook groups, which is even another way to market whatever product you want. So they're funneling people into a Facebook group, and they're also funneling people to the links to their products. Okay, guys? So the other thing you can do is, if you don't want to, let's say you want to create a video like a screen share, but you don't want to talk, you can also have someone outsource the speaking part of it, or the narration. So you can just type in video spokesperson, and male or female, and you can hire somebody to narrate a video for you. So people can just give them a video script, and they can kind of they can do the exact script, or kind of maybe twist it up and put their own flavor into it. But this YouTube channel is a powerful way to promote products forever in the health and fitness
My
niche.
name is Suzanne.
Whether that's Clickbank, Amazon products, whatever it is, this is a really powerful tool, is to create a YouTube channel in the niche, so that you don't have to have a list right away. Now, this obviously is going to take some time, but if you stick to this and stick to it for 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months, this could be a full-time income for you, and start to create some serious commissions after a while. So I hope this video gave you some ideas on how you can start making sales on products if you don't have a list to email to right away. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up if you got any ideas from it. And again, my name is Marissa Romero. I will see you guys on the next video.